Hello Theta Network holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Theta Network. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update, and I'm also talking about the pump of Theta. When will the price take a pump? Let me show you, but before starting this video, I request everybody to please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. Theta Network holders, the currently live and latest price of the Theta in the market is 6.84 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of the Theta Network. And on the other hand, if you look the changes over in the Theta Network, so now the last 1 day, last 1 week, last 1 hour changes over in the Theta Network is positive. Unfortunately, my friends, from yesterday the changes of the Theta Network is going wrong. But on the other hand, if you look at the last 1 week changes of the Theta Network, so positive 11.54%. 11% mean that you get a huge profit from the Theta Network. But unfortunately, in the previous month, the Theta Network price very badly dropped. That's why you are not in a profit. But I'm sure that from the August they start pumping, and I hope, my friends, that they will continue this pump for a long time. So don't worry about these changes, my friends. Everything will be okay. You have to just wait for a long time. Theta Network is a long-term project, and you can see, my friends, from the price chart, pump down. You can see after jump pump. So guys, everything now you can see they are again. If you look at the latest situation, let me zoom it. Now in the latest situation they start pumping. I hope that this pump will be the quick and huge pump of the Theta Network, my friends. Guys, so I request everybody to please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Anyways, what you think about Theta Network, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.